Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If TikTok is blocking your login with a maximum number of attempts reached error, your device or IP address has been temporarily rate limited for security. I will show you exactly how to reset this block and log back into your account right now. Let's get started. First, because this specific error is often tied directly to a temporary security block on your current IP address, simply changing your network can bypass the restriction. If you are currently connected to your home Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch entirely to your cellular data, or vice versa. This immediately assigns your phone a new IP address, which frequently clears the login block on its own without needing any further steps. Next, if changing your network did not work, we need to completely wipe the local application data to remove the flagged login tokens. If you are on an Android device, long press the TikTok app icon, select App Info, navigate to your storage settings, and tap Clear All Data rather than just clearing the temporary cache. If you are using an iPhone, you must open your main device settings, go to General, tap iPhone Storage, and choose to delete the app data entirely. Finally, if the app is still aggressively blocking your attempts, your most reliable fix is to perform a clean installation to generate a fresh device ID. Completely uninstall TikTok from your phone, restart your device to fully flush the background system memory, and then download a fresh copy from the App Store or Google Play Store. This ensures you are launching a clean, unflagged instance of the app before you enter your credentials again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.